Hello, my friend. Good evening. So, right now I'm on my way to market. So, I'm going to market to bring some vegetable, fruits, and other grocery. So, my friend, when I was just before starting this video, I thought I should make video while walking because you can see if you practice English while walking, while traveling, while cooking. So I will ensure you that you will be fluent within 6 7 months because you have to include English words, vocabulary, sentence in your day-to-day life. Like when you get up early in the morning, that time you can talk in English with yourself. Okay, don't wait for anyone, just talk to with yourself. Yeah, you can say you can start uh, recording video like me, that I'm recording. So just start, because starting first step is very important. Starting is very important. So speaking is not very much hard task. It's easy task, but you have to uh, include speaking in your day-to-day life. So right now I'm walking, so I can speak about so many things. Like in on my way, there are so many greenery, field, and you can see in path. So I can say I'm walking on paved path. Okay, so this path actually goes to market, and this is shortcut path. So like that, you have to speak like such kind of strategy, because when you start, I know you will stuck so many times, but when you open your mind, because your mind is just like closed, okay, while you speak English, but while you speak in Hindi, automatically words come out from your mouth because your mind actually open, okay, while you speak Hindi. So just train your mind to speak English. So how will it train? This will train when you speak English in every time, okay, like with yourself, walking, talking, every time, like cooking, showering, okay. So if you are going to office, so you can think and you can speak in English, like I got on the bus, I'm going to office, oh my god, this bus is so beautiful, so bus is packed, there are no vacant seat in the bus. Such kind of things you have to speak with yourself in every day, not all the time, but I think you should take out, I think, 50 20 minutes every day, so when you speak. So such kind of strategy if you adopt and speak, then definitely you will be fluent within 6 7 months, okay. So after 6 7 months you will be able to speak with everyone. So see you in next video. Thank you.